Morris Kishkir, 1580 SAT score. That's Wallen High School. SAT, ACT, guru, teacher of thousands, revolution tutors, you know the spiel. Here today to debunk 5 Scantron myths. Let's launch in with the low-hanging fruit. This guy.
Well, I have a life hack for you. 90% of the time, when you take a number 2 pencil and you take the Scantron and you write in abaca dabba all the way through, you'll make a guaranteed 90 or better.
The truth is, it's not even your fault when you have so many different voices out there trying to tell you what to do. So just a few basic tips on who you should trust on the internet. If a guy can't even get his percents right,
90% of the time, guaranteed 80% of the time,
struggles to spell abacadabra,
A, B, A, C, A, abacadabra, D,
and smiles like that, don't trust him. I'm talking to you, I'm talking to you, I'm talking to you, and I'm talking to you. And most importantly, I'm talking to you, the legions of students who have asked me if the abacadabra trick is the secret to a 90 on the SAT. So just to put this to bed once and for all, we ran the abacadabra trick on all 10 released SATs and all of the unreleased SATs, then ran a statistical analysis on the results, and the trick netted an average score of a romping 405, the equivalent of random guessing.
Oh, so Morris, it's true that you got 400 points for writing your name on the SAT?
It's a rant for a different day. Okay, on to the next, no less silly, but sadly even more frequently encountered Scantron. So you're chugging along your test, and you bubble in a question B. The next question B. Finally, a third question B. You get to the fourth question, you solve it out, and you think the answer is also B. Uh-oh. It can't be B2. 4 in a row? Should you pick something else? Okay, so a bit of math. The first question could be anything, so that's irrelevant. The odds of 2 consecutive questions with the same answer is 1 in 4. The odds of 3 is 1 in 16. The odds of 4 consecutive is 1 in 56. But remember, the test has 154 questions. That's 38.5 4-question samples, which means that the odds of 4 consecutive happening on the test is Yosef on the ski lift, baby. Okay, I have a quick question for you. What is the probability of selecting 4 identical letters at some point on the SAT according to your calculations?
So, according to my calculations, I got 90.7%.
Moreover, even if you assume you got one of the 4 questions right, the odds that it's the 4th one is 1 in 4. In layman's terms, you solve the problem. You think the answer is B. Just choose B then. And I tell you, this is not complicated. If you choose C, straight, you do not know? So, okay, C, you choose C. Then rest assured, you do C, you bubble in C consistently. Do not do a B or an A. No. C, and then you rest assured, you will do quite well this way. All right, I don't want to elaborate on this one, but I'm just going to say quickly without boring you with the math like last time, there is no statistical advantage to choosing the same choice again and again. The idea that the test makers would prefer one of the choices is one of the most moronic statements that I've ever heard. If you're still not convinced, then sure, choose C, because honestly, it makes no difference. This one's for all of you artists who notice and are either drawn to or repelled by the appearance of shapes or patterns on your Scantrons. And look, I feel for you. It looks weird, it looks cool, whatever. The bottom line is, there's no code, people. So just go with what you think is right. So word here is, and from fairly unreliable sources, I must add, my students, that if you take chapstick and smear it all over your Scantron, you get an auto 1636. I honestly can't speak to this one. Try it. Let me know. You might get a 1600. You also might nullify your Scantron. Keep me posted. Have I laid these myths to bed once and for all? Let me know in the comments. Feel free to share. Smash the like button and all the rest. Until next time, stay smart. Join the revolution. Peace.